Today I thought I'd share why my channel is called June's Coffee, which is appropriate, really, because absolutely no one's ever asked me that. But it's really a boring story. Okay, so I was getting coffee and they asked for my name. God, how am I going to do this? So I was at a coffee shop getting coffee and it was busy, so the barista asked me for my name, Tori, and then he asked me how to spell it. T-O-R-I-E. This is pretty much how he wrote it. So when I was called out the bar, latte for June. And I waited, patiently, waiting for Tori's coffee to be delivered, while June's latte grew cold, and 3 people behind me had gotten their coffee and left. And I thought June's Coffee sounded kind of artsy, so I used it for my Instagram. And then later when I was making a blog, I just took the same name, and then when I was making this channel again, because I can't be bothered to think of 3 names. So that's either how this channel got its name, or how I stole someone named June's Coffee. T-O-R-I-E.